Hello everyone, I am Suraj Chaudhary. I am doing my MBA in SS Institute of Management. Today's our discussion topic is international business. In international business, we are going to discuss a topic pestle analysis. So first of all, introduction of pestle analysis. Pestle analysis is a framework or tool used by marketers to analyze and mentor the macro environmental that is the external marketing environment factor that have an impact on an organization, company or industry. It examines the political, economic, social, technological, environmental and legal factor in the external environment. A pestle analysis is used to identify threats and weaknesses which are used in SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis is known as strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threats. It is a full form of SWOT analysis. So, what are the factors are involved in pestle analysis? We will discuss here one by one. Number one is political factor, second one economical factor, third one social factor, fourth one technological factor, fifth one environmental and legal factor. So, in political factor include government policies, leadership and changes, foreign trade policy, internal political issue and trends, tax policy, regulation and deregulation trends. These all factors are involved in political factor. Now, second one is economical factor. The economic factor include current and projected economic growth, inflation and interest rate, job growth and unemployment, labor cost, impact of globalization, disposable income of consumer and business like changes the economic environment. The third factor is social factor. Social factor includes demographics, age, gender, race, family. These subtopics are included in demographic. Other one is consumer attitude, opinion and buying patterns, population growth rate and employment pattern, social cultural changes, ethnic and religious trend, living standard. The other one is technological. The technological factor affected marketing, likewise new way of producing goods and services, new way of distribution goods and services, new way of communicating work with target markets. If the technology all advanced, then our production will also increases and production will also increases and technological use creates a easy way of international businesses. It means there is no physical touch in that business, but we can earn income. It is a benefit of technological factor in that. Environmental factor are important due to the increasing scarcity of raw material. Pollution targets doing business as a ethical and sustainable company. Carbon footprint targets are the environmental factors. The next factor is legal factor. Legal factor include health and safety, equal opportunity, advertising standard, consumer rights law, product labeling and product safety. And now we will discuss here the advantages of pestle analysis. It is a simple framework, easy to understand and conduct. It is facilitate a better and broader understanding of the business environment. It means that if we will discuss all the factors, environmental, legal, which we have discussed earlier here, these all these are used in understanding the business environment, how it will go and how much profit we will earn through the businesses. Encourage an organization to develop external and strategic thinking. The most talk advantage, it enables an organization to anticipate future business threats and allow it to minimize nullify the impact. This line indicates that the if you go through the above discussed factors, then we will get a idea so how much our business will go in future and what we have to take precautions to grow in business. These all factors help us. Also allow organization to spot an opportunities and capitalize on them. Now, disadvantages. Some pestle analysis user oversimplify amount of data, use of decision. It's easy to use insufficient data. It is easy to get lost in the enormous amount of data. So there will remain a risk of capturing too much data and undertaking too much data analytics. That may lead to paralysis by analysis. As a pestle analysis work on assumptions, there remains a risk of being wrong. It means that in the above discussion, the some pestle analysis is only assumption. It is the imagination of subject on that. मतलब information in that information is ethical. So it will be in that there will be a risk of wrong. Okay. Thank you very much for to listen this video. Have a nice day.